Y'all, we're outside taking Poop Doop out. Wyatt on a trampoline, getting his zoomies out. Sup, Pop? You like the trampoline? Oh, you like the trampoline? He's so funny. Happy Saturday, y'all. Just hanging out at the house. Come here, puppy. Come here. Back up on the trampoline. Your friend's not out. He's not out. Oh, turkey bird. What you doing way up there, buddy? Be careful. This is what he does. Usually jumps a little more. Tell we are in a drought because our grass is kind of dry in some spots. So, and it's dry over there, even though I water the garden. There's a little birdie. So, little garden update. So, I found some Miracle Grow stuff, the organic kind, on Amazon with a coupon. So whenever I get a chance, I'm gonna order it. I know I need to come out here. I'm either gonna do it in the morning and get some of these like seed thingies on there, like the ones with the flowers, and then dry the leaves, replenish my stock. Even this one is starting to get those seeds, so I can't wait to start eating tomatoes and peppers and okra. You stay out of my garden, sir. We got puppy paw prints because it is raining. Poor little puppy has to go potty outside. Anyways, the garden is getting watered. Kind of see the rain. Spin around. What you doing, puppy? Huh? What you doing, puppy? Is it raining? There is some thunder too, so. I don't know if it's supposed to get heavier or what, or how long it's supposed to go, but I will take any amount of rain I get because the garden likes the rain. Was that lightning I saw? But maybe. Yep, that was definitely lightning. Make it heavier? I don't know. hear the thunder, puppy. You hear the thunder, puppy. It's okay. It's okay. He's not shaking or anything, so I don't think it bothers him that much. He had a dog that would shiver whenever puppy footprints. So, anyways, the garden is getting soaked. So, like and subscribe and hit the bell. And I will see you all in the next one. Peace.